about you all night long. Yeah.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing to you another video, and this video I'll be sharing with you my top 6 favorite fragrances. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. That would help me out a lot. And please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in no particular order, I'm just gonna go through these fragrances randomly. So it's not gonna be my favorite or my least favorite, because I love each and every one of them. I wear them on different occasions and I have them for different reasons, but at the end of the day, I love them all. So the first one I'm gonna start with is Tuile de Hermes, and this is the packaging. The packaging is very gorgeous, and don't judge me you guys, but I keep all my scents in their boxes. I have so much, so I don't have the space to be lining out everybody, so sometimes I just pack them on top of each other for storing. So most of these fragrances will be in their boxes, so please don't judge me. Hermes did not fail on this one. So coming out of the box, this is what it looks like out of the box. And this is the 1.6 ounce. This is the 50 ml, and this retails for about $100. This has a very earthy tone. It's very young, it's fresh. I think it's sexy. Whenever I wear this out, I get so many compliments. Like, this is a showstopper. I love it. It's very light. Also, what I like about this, the longer you have it on, the more you smell it, the more you get the fragrance out of it. And that is what I like about this. I've been using this a lot. I'm not sure if you can tell, but I've been using this quite a lot. And what else can I say? I really love it. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous scent. Very long lasting, and I'm very happy to have this in my collection actually. So yeah, so that's it for the Tuile de Hermes. The next fragrance I'm sharing with you is the Marc Jacob Decadence. And for this one, the name speaks for itself. It is indeed decadent. This is a very mature scent. Again, I have most of my fragrances in the packaging still. And this packaging I love. This is a very suede and velvety material. It is gorgeous. I've had this for a couple of months now, and I'm still loving it. The packaging is gorgeous, super mature. I love it. Okay, so this one I bought in a set actually. So I have the body lotion that came along with it. So this is what it looks like in the package. I'm gonna take it out for you guys so you can see that. So this is it. Very gorgeous packaging. The packaging is amazing. I'm not sure how much Marc Jacob is retailing for now, because I've had it for quite a few months, but this is the 1.7 FL. This is the 50 ml. So this is the big size. So the scent is very plummy and fruity. And like I said, it's a mature scent, so it's more for the grown woman. But this is very seductive. It is sexy. This speaks romance, and I love to wear this, especially if I'm going out on a date. So this is another one of my fave. I love it. Love it. The hand lotion, I've never actually used it before, so I'm not even sure. But see, I'm sorry, I thought it was a hand lotion, my bad. It is actually a shower gel. And to think, I've had this for so long and I had no idea this was a shower gel. I actually thought it was a hand lotion. Well, whatever. I can use it at a later date. So that is it for the Marc Jacob Decadence. So the next fragrance I'll be sharing with you is the Tiffany & Co. And this is the packaging. Very gorgeous. It has a very beautiful, soft musk fragrance. And I kind of like it and I kind of don't. It just depends. But it's still a great fragrance. And this one I bought in the set. So I got a mini one and I also got a hand lotion. This is very soft. It's like a cotton scent. And it also smells like a, you know, a very classic soap, so to speak. But it's very nice. I did get a compliment when I wore this out as well. Everybody was like, what are you wearing? What are you wearing? It's very long lasting. This will last forever. And also, the longer you have it on, the more you smell that aroma from the fragrance. So I love this as well. And the packaging is gorgeous. We know how Tiffany do. We know how they do. So this was no different. And this is what it looks like out of the box. It's very transparent, really. And it's very light. Very light. I was thinking it would be a lot heavier, but it's not. So this is it for the Tiffany and Co. And I don't remember how much it retails for. I think it was like $135 or $150. So this is also a good buy, and I'm happy that I have this a part of my collection as well. So next I have Olympia by Paco Rabanne. And this one I bought in the set as well. And the packaging is gorgeous on this one. Just look at this. I love it. And I love the rose gold. I like the rose gold wings. And I just love the rose gold packaging. This bottle reminds me of some, you know, some ancient wall decor or something like that. It looks so ancient and I love that. So this I got in the set. So I got this one, which is this is 2.7 ounces. So this is the big one. And then I also have the mini one right here. I use this a lot because I take this in my handbag wherever I'm going. So I use this a lot, but I'm telling you, this packaging is stunning. And I also got a hand lotion. So this is what the hand lotion looks like. But for the fragrance, it has a very sweet, you can wear all year round. It doesn't matter what season we're in, you can always wear this around. It's a very sensual scent. It's very sexy. It's very sweet. I also get a lot of compliments when I wear this one. So I'm also happy to have this in my collection as well. So the next fragrance I have to share with you is Signorima, and this is by Salvatore Ferragamo. And it has a great packaging. It's very cute. I wear this on a daily basis. The scent is very subtle, so you can wear this all year round. And this is my go-to daytime fragrances. This is what I wear every single day, and I enjoy wearing this fragrance. It is so light, it's very classy, it's very sexy, and that is one of the reasons why I love it. How much this is retailing for now, because I've had this for a while as well, but this is my go-to every day. I wore this only in the daytime. It has a very girly and light scent, but let me tell you, this is very sexy. This is mature. This is very classy. It's not too light, it's just right there, you know, very light and eerie and sexy, and I love it. I love it. So the last fragrance I have to share with you is Gabrielle Chanel, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's very effortless and very easy to wear. It's very light. It has a citrusy, clean and fresh scent, and I love that. I love, love, love that. So coming out of the box, this is what it looks like. It's a transparent bottle. The top is rose gold, and it also has the Chanel logo on top here. This is the 3.4 ounces, and I think this retail for $130, but I love this. I have no regret. I was a bit hyped and pumped when this one came out. My expectations were very high, but when I actually bought it, it came down a little bit because I was expecting just a little bit more from this fragrance, but I didn't get it. But nevertheless, I still love it. I'm happy that I made the purchase, and I have no regrets really. I really love it. It's very, very citrusy and fruity. Like I said, it's very easy to wear, very sexy, very, very sexy. So yeah, so this is it for Gabrielle Chanel. So this brings me to the end of my video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know which one was your favorite fragrances. And if you have any that you want to share, don't be afraid to leave them in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.